How to view your app usage or screen time on TikTok. I know Apple devices let you view screen time through their own settings app, but this will work on any device. So start out on your profile page as pictured here. Then tap on the icon in the top right corner with 3 horizontal lines. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you see the button that says Activity Center, which has the little clock icon next to it. Here you can view your daily average screen time. You can see mine ranges from about 2 hours to, well, none on Saturday. This is kind of an overview, but if you want even more data, tap on See All Screen Time Data. Let's scroll down and you can see a little more detailed breakdown. If you tap on a bar, you can see the exact number of minutes. You can see I've done 2 hours and 19 minutes here, 53, so on. It'll also give you your total time. It'll break it down for time spent during the day and during the nights, which nighttime it defines between 10 p.m. and 6 a.m. You can also tap on TikTok Opened to see how many different times you open the app, which is also kind of useful. Since I've been making a lot of these little tutorial videos here, you can see I've done it about 28 times in one day. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Before you go, check this out.